Welcome to day 2 of our Healing Spices series. Today we are doing a lemon tonic called Easy Peasy Lemon Squeezy, named by my good friend Michelle. I make this ahead of time. I usually do it on Sundays. I will make enough for 7 days for the whole week, and I will take a shot of it every morning. It is wonderful because you can customize it to exactly what you need. I usually put whole lemons in, the whole thing. I put coconut water for electrolytes. I put a little sea salt. I put in cayenne for pain management. I put in turmeric, black pepper, ginger, cinnamon, clove. I sneak in as possibly can. It's just something I do before I have coffee or anything in the morning, and it sets you up for success for the whole day. Let me show you how I do it. I begin with 3 lemons. For demonstration, I'm just going to cut up 1 lemon. I throw everything in, even the seeds, everything. I have read the seeds are a great resource for healing, so I'm going to just throw those in too. Then I do about 24 ounces of coconut water, great for electrolytes. I add in a little bit of pink salt. I also add in olive oil. This is optional, but I do like to start my day with a healthy fat. So I'm going to do. I also like to add in whole ginger. I will usually do one of these cubes for each day, but I'm making a smaller batch tonight. But you can see you can really make this your own. I am just gonna, you wanna blend this till the lemon is completely blended. What I like to do is you can either put it in like a mason jar like this, and here we just all have our own personal jars, and we'll just take a shot of that every morning. You can also get these really cute bottles. Sometimes I like to put them on here, but I am just gonna pour this into a mason jar. Here is our lemon tonic. It's getting this beautiful color from the cinnamon and the cloves. I skipped the turmeric because I have that at night with my golden milk, the recipe from last night. But ginger is in here, fresh ginger. Just a powerhouse. I love to drink this first thing in the morning. Like I said in the video, it just sets you up for success. You can sneak in any spices you want. And it's a natural detox, so it's a mini detox every morning, which I think we can all use these days. But I hope you'll give this a try. This is a great way to start your day. Have this before your coffee. Drink lots of water, and cheers.